Hey everyone! Today we're going to learn how to upload digital products on Raket.ph. First, open the Raket.ph website using your Google Chrome browser. Click on the three horizontal lines and go to your Racketeer dashboard. Look for My Racket Ship button. Click on that to manage your products. This takes you to your About section, where you can edit your profile information. Now click on Products to start creating your first product. Click Add your first product and select Digital Downloads since we are selling digital goods. Now fill in the details of your product name, product type, and description. Next, add up to 10 media files to represent your product. Now this time, you'll have to upload the actual file your buyers will receive. Click Upload the file and select the file from your computer. Enter the price for your digital product. Once you're happy with everything, click Save and Publish to make your product available for sale.